Next month, when Samsung organizes its Galaxy Unpacked event, a number of new devices are anticipated to be shown. However, before those devices are officially unveiled, leaked press renderings have showed the Galaxy Buds 3, Galaxy Watch 6, Galaxy Z Flip 5, and Galaxy Z Fold 5. Famous leak all of Samsung's upcoming mobile devices, including the Galaxy Z Flip 5, Galaxy Tab S9, Galaxy Watch 6, and Galaxy Buds 3, have had press renderings released by Evan Blast. All of the devices, including the Galaxy Tab S9 Extreme model, are seen together in the first picture. The Galaxy Watch 6 and the Galaxy Z Flip 5 can be seen in their green/mint colors, while the Galaxy Buds 3 can be seen in its white avatar. The second picture shows the Galaxy Z Flip 5's enormous cover display and dual camera system. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 engine, upgraded 12-megapixel main camera, IP57 classification for dust and water resistance, and a revised hinge mechanism that enables the phone to be folded shut without any gaps are all likely to be included in this device. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 seems to have essentially the same design as the Galaxy Z Fold 4. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will employ the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU, same as the Galaxy Z Flip 5. It is also anticipated to include a novel water drop-shaped hinge that minimizes screen wrinkle and leaves no gap between the two folding sides of the smartphone. The S Pen Fold Edition will also work with the Galaxy Z Fold 5. With the upcoming Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, Samsung is also bringing back its recognizable spinning bezel. The Galaxy Watch 6 will also include a rotating bezel without any bezels. Although little is known about the new features of these upcoming wearables, the Galaxy Watch 6 and Galaxy Watch 6 Classic both seem to have reduced bezels around their spherical Super AMOLED displays. An accelerometer, compass, GPS, heart rate monitor, ECG, body composition analysis, and blood pressure monitoring are all expected to be included in the Galaxy Watch 6 series. While Samsung hasn't officially announced the date for their upcoming Galaxy Unpacked 2023 launch event, it has stated that the event will take place in Seoul, South Korea. Both smartwatches will run Wear OS 4-based One UI 5 watch out of the box. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.